Hey everyone, the 2026 Nissan GT-R is finally here, and it's redefining what a modern Japanese supercar can be. The legend that started in the late 60s as a racing icon and evolved into a global symbol of power and precision has been reborn with new technology, a sharper design, and an even more exhilarating driving experience. Nissan has taken everything enthusiasts loved about the GT-R, its insane acceleration, its balanced handling, and its raw, mechanical feel, and infused it with futuristic design cues, advanced hybrid technology, and next-level performance. The 2026 GT-R isn't just a continuation. It's a revolution wrapped in carbon fiber and adrenaline. Step inside, and the first thing you notice about the 2026 GT-R is how refined and driver-focused the cabin has become. Nissan has blended traditional craftsmanship with cutting-edge digital innovation. The dashboard is dominated by a massive curved OLED display that merges the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one sleek unit. This display provides real-time telemetry, GPS-based performance tracking, and customizable driving modes. The use of premium Alcantara, carbon fiber trim, and brushed aluminum surfaces gives the interior a race-ready yet luxurious feel. Every surface feels intentional, every button placed with precision. The bucket seats have been redesigned to offer more comfort for long drives while maintaining the firm support needed for high-speed cornering. They feature integrated cooling and heating systems, memory foam support, and carbon fiber backing to keep weight down. Even the steering wheel feels new, featuring haptic feedback for instant communication between car and driver, allowing you to feel every tire movement and every inch of traction. One of the biggest improvements comes from how Nissan balanced technology and emotion. There's wireless connectivity, voice command integration, and over-the-air software updates that keep the car's systems constantly improving. The sound system, co-developed with Bose Performance Series, has been tuned specifically for the GT-R's cabin acoustics, delivering deep bass and crystal clear highs even when the twin-turbo V6 is roaring at full throttle. However, Nissan hasn't forgotten its roots. The cabin still keeps some analog charm with toggle switches and a center console layout that feels pure and purposeful. From the outside, the 2026 Nissan GT-R looks like it was sculpted by the wind itself. The design language is both aggressive and aerodynamic, with sharper lines, wider hips, and an overall stance that screams speed even at a standstill. The signature quad-ring taillights remain, but they've been reimagined with 3D LED technology that gives the car a futuristic light signature at night. The front fascia is dominated by a larger V-motion grille that enhances airflow and cooling efficiency, flanked by adaptive matrix LED headlights that adjust beam patterns based on speed, steering angle, and road conditions. The hood is lower and longer, giving the car a more menacing profile, while the active aerodynamic elements, such as a retractable rear wing, underbody diffusers, and adaptive air vents, help increase downforce or reduce drag depending on driving mode. Nissan engineers also utilized a mix of lightweight materials to reduce overall weight without compromising strength. The chassis features carbon fiber reinforced polymer panels, aluminum subframes, and titanium exhaust components. Even the roof and hood are made of forged carbon, which not only looks stunning but improves rigidity and reduces center of gravity. The GT-R now rides on 21-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in ultra-performance Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, ensuring that every ounce of power is translated into grip. Under the hood lies the true soul of the GT-R. The 2026 model comes with a re-engineered 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine paired with a mild hybrid system. Together, they deliver an astonishing 710 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. The electric motor adds instant torque off the line, eliminating turbo lag and improving throttle response. Power is routed through a newly developed 8-speed dual-clutch transmission that shifts with surgical precision. The car rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds, making it one of the quickest production vehicles on Earth. Top speed exceeds 210 miles per hour, and yet, the car feels perfectly composed at every speed. Performance has always been the GT-R's defining characteristic, and the 2026 version elevates it to new heights. Nissan's legendary ATTES all-wheel drive system has been enhanced with predictive torque distribution, which uses AI to anticipate traction loss before it even happens. This means sharper handling, better cornering stability, and an incredible sense of control on any surface. The adaptive suspension automatically adjusts damping rates based on road conditions, while the active steering system fine-tunes inputs to make every turn feel intuitive and responsive. Whether you're attacking a racetrack or cruising through city streets, the GT-R constantly reads the environment to give you maximum performance without sacrificing comfort. Safety, too, has evolved dramatically in the 2026 GT-R. Nissan has equipped it with a full suite of advanced driver assistance technologies. There's adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and even a semi-autonomous driving mode for long highway stretches. The collision avoidance system uses 360-degree radar and cameras to detect obstacles, pedestrians, and vehicles, automatically applying braking when necessary. The carbon ceramic brakes, sourced from Brembo, deliver incredible stopping power with zero fade, while the lightweight chassis construction ensures superior crash energy absorption. For track use, the GT-R also features a performance safety mode, which dynamically adjusts traction control and stability systems to allow maximum performance without putting the driver at risk. Pricing for the 2026 Nissan GT-R reflects its cutting-edge engineering and status as a high-performance legend. The base model starts around $160,000, but with performance and premium packages, that number can easily climb to $200,000 or more. Nissan also plans to offer a limited edition, Nismo Hybrid, version that pushes performance even further, expected to cost around $230,000. While this makes the 2026 GT-R more expensive than before, it's still a bargain compared to European supercars offering similar performance figures. The combination of hybrid efficiency, brutal acceleration, and bulletproof reliability gives the GT-R an edge few competitors can match. Overall, the 2026 Nissan GT-R is more than just an evolution, it's a statement. It represents the perfect fusion of raw mechanical engineering and intelligent technology. It's faster, smarter, and more refined than ever before, but it hasn't lost that emotional connection that made the GT-R a legend. Nissan has managed to create a car that honors its past while embracing the future, a machine that can conquer racetracks and daily commutes with equal confidence. The interior is luxurious yet purposeful, the exterior is bold and aerodynamic, the performance is electrifying, and the safety and technology are world-class. In an era where many sports cars are becoming more digital and less emotional, the 2026 Nissan GT-R proves that technology can enhance passion rather than replace it. It's still a driver's car, one that demands attention, rewards skill, and delivers heart-stopping excitement every time you press the accelerator. The GT-R name has always stood for Godzilla, the king of monsters, and in 2026, that title has never been more deserved. Nissan didn't just build a supercar, they built a legend for a new generation. Whether you're a lifelong GT-R fan or new to the brand, the 2026 model will remind you why this car continues to dominate the world stage. It's the perfect balance of precision, power, and soul.